All right, post frame update here, 36 by 40. You can see two-tone. These guys, actually day 3 on the job, and they're finishing this up, and they're actually gonna move to another project right down the road. But let's take a look at this. This is a 2-car garage. Let me give you some depth perception on this. Foot overhang, so forth. But you can see as we walk inside here, has the inset porch. Guys are finishing up. Crew's finishing up the trim detail on the siding over here. But let's take a look on the inside here. On the inside here, you can see 3-ply laminated columns, 2x10 baseboard, 2x6 wall girts. You can see we do our diagonal bracing, 2x6 diagonal bracing. Now on this application right here, you can see truss right here, bottom cord 2x6, 2x6 bottom cord, top cord 2x6, vapor barrier installation. Well, let's walk around over here so you can get an idea here what's going on here, how this building looks from different perspective. You can see here, let me step back here and get an idea of what this looks like. You can see outside corners match the wainscot and also match the soffit and fascia up top. And these guys are actually finishing this up. And again, 3-day bill. For more information, atticalumber.com.